Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, you're welcome to Sew with Carissa. And if you are a returning subscriber or viewer, thanks for sticking with me. So in today's video, we'll be making these No Sew Tutu skirts for a 4-year-old. This skirt, we are not going to use sewing machine. We're not going to use needle and thread. We just need our tool and our elastic. So if it's something you're interested in, make sure you watch to the end, and don't forget to leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment, and also share to your loved ones. So let's jump right into the video. So first off, we'll be using our elastic. I'm using this big elastic, and for the waist is 20 inches. I'm just going to go in with 20 inches, and then you I'm going to cut out the excesses, and then I'll take that to the sewing machine, and then I'm just going to sew that up. And we're using our tool. I already cut out my tool. For my tool, I use for my tool net, I use 7 yards of tool net. And for the length of the skirt is 15 inches. So I'm going to cut 15 inches, and then I'll fold that 15 inches in times 2. So if the length of the dress is of the skirt is 15 inches, that means the length of our tool net is going to be 30 inches. As you can see, I am taking my measurement, and this is how you're going to fold it. So if you're folding it, it will be 15 inches, but if you're going to open it up, it will be 30 inches. And for the width of my tool net, I use 17 inches. No, I use 12 inches for the width of my tool. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm using my baby mannequin. I already sew my elastic up, so I'm going to insert it on the body of the mannequin, and then I'm just going to crochet the tool like so. The folded area, I'm just going to tuck in from the other side, just like this, and then I'll pick up the second tool. I'm going to fold it and then tuck it in like that, just like when you're doing a crochet. So I'm just going to do that all around, and it depends how full you want your skirts to be. For me, I want it to be very full, but if you want it to be very full, you can go with like maybe 10 to 12 yards of tool net. It depends the height of the child, or how big the child is, or how chubby the child is, so I'm just going to go on and on and on like that. Please, if you've watched my video up to this point, that means you're enjoying the video. Please do not forget to subscribe, leave a thumbs up, also share and like my post. You can also drop your comments if you have any issues, or you want me to make any video, or you want me to make any new style. You can also drop it in the comment section. So this is how we're going to go round and round. So I'll just continue like that, and as you can see, it's already looking fluffy already. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'll continue like that all around like so. And if you want to add any color of your choice, you can also insert your colored tool in between. As you're making it, you can cut your colored tool and just insert it, like let's say a unicorn color. You can use that as well, pink, blue, purple, and all like that, so it can look very beautiful. For me, I'm using just red color. And so this is how, once we're done, this is how it looks like. You're just going to pick your scissors. I've not trimmed it here. You just trim it round, like the excess tool. You trim out the excess tool. And this is my baby girl rocking it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. See you in my next video. Bye.